All answers start with C.
Hey.
What do we call a baby chicken?
Chicken.
Chicks.
Chicken.
Chicks.
Chick.
Chick.
1-0.
1-0.
What animal gives us milk?
Milk.
Cow.
Cow now.
2-0. Are you ready?
I want to go here.
Are you ready?
We are ready. We are ready.
I start with C now, but I don't know.
Okay.
3-2.
OIR.
What do you call a young male cow?
Castu.
Is
Castu.
A young male cow is
a
called
young male
what?
cow is cowbell. No?
Cowbell. Castu.
A young male cow. A young male cow is
Cowbell. No,
is-
stop
is-
it, sir. Biko, wait.
is a young
Koru.
male cow.
Korum.
Ram. Hey. A young male
Hey. Couple. No, a young man cow.
cattle. No. Right. Because a young male cow is
Hey.
a young male
Two
cow.
olodos. Hey.
It's
Abagoro.
called calf.
Calf.
Okay.
Also cafeterias. Okay, buy the real liquor.
Calf.
What is the largest land mammal after elephant and rhino?